Hi everyone. Have you ever forgotten the combination to a padlock and just started trying every single number from 000 until it finally clicked open? If you have, you've already performed a manual brute force attack. In the world of cybersecurity, a brute force attack is a trial and error method used by hackers to guess login credentials, encryption keys, or even hidden web pages. Instead of looking for a complex software bug or a backdoor, the attacker simply uses raw computing power to try every possible combination of characters until they find the right one. It's not elegant, but it is incredibly effective. Now, a human trying to guess a password would take forever, but hackers don't do this manually. They use automated scripts and powerful software like HashGat or John the Ripper. These tools can test millions of password combinations every single second. Think of it like a digital master key that can shapeshift into every possible key shape until the door opens. If a website or a server doesn't have a limit on how many times you can try to log in, a hacker can keep their software running for days, weeks, or even months until they break in. Not all brute force attacks are the same. Let's break down the most common types. First, simple brute force. This is the basic guess and check method, often targeting easy passwords like 123,456 or QWERTY. Second, the dictionary attack. Hackers don't always guess randomly. They use a word list of common names, dictionary words, and previously leaked passwords. Third, the hybrid attack. This is a mix. The software takes a dictionary word like coffee and tries variations like coffee 123 or C0fee. Fourth, credential stuffing. This is a big one. If your password was leaked from a small website, hackers will stuff those same credentials into big sites like Facebook or your bank, hoping you use the same password. Finally, password spraying. Instead of attacking one account with many passwords, the hacker tries one very common password, like Spring 2026, against thousands of different usernames. This helps them stay under the radar of security systems. You might think, does this actually work in 2026? The answer is a resounding yes. In 2024, a major breach at Dell involved attackers brute forcing a portal to access info for 49 million customers. Alibaba faced a massive credential stuffing attack where over 20 million accounts were compromised. Even tech giants like Citrix have been hit by password spraying. These aren't just theoretical threats. They are active tools used by state-sponsored hackers and cybercriminals every day. So how do we stop them? It's all about making the cost of the attack too high for the hacker. Use long, complex passwords. A 12-character password with symbols can take centuries to crack, while an 8-character simple password can be cracked in minutes. Enable multi-factor authentication. This is your best defense. Even if they guess your password, they can't get past the code sent to your phone. Account lockouts. If you run a website, set it to lock an account after 5 failed attempts. Use CAPTCHAs. These are simple for humans, but act as a brick wall for automated brute force bots. The goal isn't necessarily to have a perfect password, but to make your account so difficult to crack that the hacker gives up and moves on to an easier target. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Would you like me to create a guide on how to pick a secure password manager next? Let me know in the comments. Stay safe out there.